You hear that psychedelic effect there?
Yeah.
So we're going to focus in on steel now. The reason why I start with aluminum, then we switch over to steel, because all those nice little tips and tricks and techniques and everything that we've been focusing on for the past few hours now is going to be a breeze when it comes to steel. That's what we're after. Stop it. Hold on. Everybody stop here, right? I gotta remind everybody again. Dipping the tungsten is not allowed.
What?
Isn't your rule?
What?
It's your rule. I'm trying to reinforce you here.
I've been getting good at dipping tungsten lately.
Well, you're not supposed to be teaching them that. Whoops.
I forget everything.
Woo. It's a little hot.
On behalf of Bob Moffatt and myself, we'd very much like to thank everyone in attendance at this 4T Tag Team TIG teaching class, and we'll definitely be doing this one again. We'll see you guys on the next episode.